Yes, my people, it's your boy, and I'm back. My brother, yeah, my brother, he said I need to listen to Mumford and Sons' Dust Bowl Dance. Let's go.
The young man stands on the edge of his porch. The days were short and the father was gone. There was no one in the town and no one in the field. This dusty barren land had given all it could yield. I've been kicked off my land at the age of 16, and I have no idea where else my heart could have been. I placed all my trust at the foot of this hill, and now I am sure my heart could never be still. So collect your courage and collect your horse, and pray you never feel the same kind of remorse. My heart and break my pride. I've nowhere to stand and now nowhere to hide. Align my heart, my body, my mind to face what I've done and do my time.
Little beat, like little small little beat. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
You are my accuser now, look in my face. Your oppression reeks of
I do prefer Little Lion Man by Mumford and Sons, though.
One man has and another has not. How can you love what it is you have got when you took it all from the weak hands of the poor? Liars and thieves, you know not what is in store. There will come a time I will look in your eye. You will pray to the God that you've always denied. Then I'll go out back and I'll get my gun. I'll say you haven't met me, I am the only son.
I still get a gun. Mad.
Seal my heart and break my pride. I've nowhere to stand. My time.
Hey, this is a switch up. What's going on here?
Seal my heart and break my pride. I've nowhere to stand and now nowhere to hide. Align my heart, my body, my mind to face what I've done and do my time.
Okay.
Oh, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, it was me. I know what I've done, 'cause I know what I've seen. I went out back and I got my gun. I said, you haven't met me, I am the only son.
Okay, this was all right. I mean, I've heard other Mumford and Sons songs, like Little Lion Man, that I enjoyed. I mean, this for me wasn't the greatest one I've heard out of them, but the beginning piano, when it's the gentleness, I can see how that can grab people. And then the switch up towards the end, I think they should have had that kind of shift at the beginning of the song for me. I think that would have grabbed me straight away. I mean, the gentle playing was nice, but nah, to me, it just wasn't a Vavavoom song. I've definitely heard other songs that have grabbed me straight away and I've just enjoyed throughout. But not to say it was a bad song, it just wasn't a song that grabbed me from the get-go and it just didn't really draw me in, man. The instruments were okay. Like I said, the end part should have been at the beginning, but yeah, overall, could have had a bit more for me. But my people, we've come to the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and keep your post notifications on to see more. Peace out.